Memorial Day sales are already happening right now at one particular place, the Appliance Factory.
So Fox 19 Now, Sarah White is at their Florence location with more.
Yes, you guys, I'm with Heidi Connor, and she's a store manager here at the Florence Appliance Factory. And Heidi, there is a location for everyone, right?
There is. So we have a couple different locations, 5 Beachmont, Tri-County, Fields Erdel, Miamisburg, but of course you know where to come find us. It's Florence. We're at 7957 Mall Road in Florence, Kentucky, right next to Pizza Hut. So
love that. Okay, yeah, there's other good shopping too, so you can come get your appliances, you know, do a little shopping.
Yeah,
it's really nice out here. All right, so Memorial Day sales are actually happening now here, so you can come early before Memorial Day and get all your great appliances and mattresses. Share about those.
You must mention the word Memorial Day though, but some of the specials we're going to have, like we have this KitchenAid refrigerator right here. Beautiful refrigerator.
Love it. It's gorgeous.
With the purchase of this refrigerator, you actually get the range and the over-the-range microwave for free.
What? So the range and the over-the-range microwave?
Yes.
I love these ranges too, because you guys have these ones that you can put those beautiful griddles on the top. They're so nice. And what is the deal here?
So the deal is 50% off. You must mention Memorial Day. For this specific set, it's $32.99. That's 50% off. So that's bigger than our big box stores.
Yeah, that's incredible.
You can always add on the dishwasher as well. This dishwasher goes for only $5.99 right now. Beautiful stainless inside interior, 2 racks, absolutely stunning, and added on for only $5.99.
Oh my gosh. So if you need, maybe you're flipping a house or something like that and you need all new appliances, this is absolutely the place to be. You can come get this beautiful set. Tell us all the different ways that you save people money. I know sometimes, you know, with the boxes that are dented, you can save money. Talk about that.
So we do things a little bit differently, but we are just like Home Depot and Lowe's. Any and everything that we have is brand new, never used. So we get them by the special buys where we bulk buy by the thousands of the overstock. We also have the in-box, and then we have the out-of-box that could have a cosmetic blemish, but still be absolutely wonderful and in shape. And then it comes with a year manufacturer warranty still. So.
Amazing. Well, thank you, Heidi. Come out to the Florence store or one of the other major locations. Back to you guys.
Thinking ahead for those summer gatherings, this is the perfect time to update any appliance or mattress. Something you don't want to have to think about, but needed.
Exactly, and with a big discount.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, yeah, you should go check it out. Fox 19 Now, Sarah White, though, is down at Appliance Factory in Florence, kind of sharing a lot of the specials they have going on right now. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, you guys. Yes, I'm with Heidi from Appliance Factory. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
I am good. And we are sharing all of these amazing deals because, you know, we're going into summer. Families, you know, some of the older kids might be coming home and we might need a new washer and dryer, right? So
absolutely.
Tell us about it.
So May is Maytag month. So right now we have this Maytag set. It is buy more, save more, 4.8 cubic feet inside, a beautiful oven style door over on the right side for your dryer. Lots of capacity for sure.
You know, and Maytags are known for being a really good washer and dryer set. So this would be the time to do that, right?
Yes, absolutely.
And get that discount because, I mean, I don't think you can get that good of a discount.
You cannot. So you can actually get $300 off of that with the purchase of a mattress.
Oh, I love that. So even more of a discount if you need a mattress and a new washer and dryer. So we're over here chatting a little bit about these purples. Tell us about the purple mattresses.
So we have this. It is the Purple Restore. It is on sale right now, 50% off. It's definitely a wonderful mattress, and we have tons in stock for the queens and kings. And then right next to it, we actually have the purple. It is only $12.99. And again, for Memorial Day, you must mention Memorial Day.
Okay, so these are amazing deals. I have checked out the purple before. You know, I like to give them a little bounce, you know, test them out, take a little nap on here while I'm here. But what great deals for Memorial Day. That's incredible. And then you guys have all kinds of other mattresses as well. So if purple is not your thing, you can come check them out. Tell us about those.
So we have Beauty Rest Black. We have the purple, obviously. We have Tempur-Pedic, Dream Cloud, and then I do believe in the Midwest we are the select few that have the Casper.
Oh, I love that. Okay, and how do you guys save people so much money? Because you're always, you know, cutting people deals and all of that stuff. So how do you get to do that?
So you save money by getting our appliances of the in-box, the out-of-box, the special buys, the $300 off with the purchase of a mattress, all kinds of specials, especially the Memorial Day one.
Yeah, I love that. And if you're willing to like have a little ding maybe on the side of something and you know you're gonna stick it into a spot where nobody's gonna see it anyway, you can save a great amount of money. So there's all kinds of different ways to save. Come down and visit Heidi and her team over here in the Florence Appliance Factory or go to one of their other great stores. There's a bunch of locations. I'm sure there's one near you. Back to you guys.